Hi and welcome to the video. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to show you how to write some VBA code that you can save as a macro, and you can run it to delete any blank rows that you have in your spreadsheet. Where this might be useful is if you've been doing a lot of formatting and manipulation of data, or you're putting something together, you've got a lot of rough workings and you're trying to clean it up. So this kind of code is going to help with those kind of tasks. Now over here, what I have is a basic sort of a table. I know that a full asset schedule would have a lot more details than this, but this is just to illustrate the example and to show how it's going to work in practice. Okay, so let's get started. Insert a module, call it delete blank rows. Okay, start it off here, sub delete blank rows, open and close brackets. Alright, now this is going to be similar in a lot of ways to the one we did in a previous video where we were deleting various blank tabs. So the first thing we're going to do here, just like many of the others, is define the dimensions that we're working with. So dimension SourceRange as range, and dimension EntireRow as range. Okay, so basically like I think in previous ones I've called it my range and my row. It's basically just to give a name to what we're talking about. So substitute in whatever works for you. Okay, set this source range. Okay, so that's the application. And here's our if function. Okay, so basically we're saying here that the screen updating notifications are only going to run if there's nothing in the range that we're interested in. Okay, putting in the positive and negative integers to show the range within the rows that it's counting. Okay, so we've got it set here when I equals 1. Okay, so basically what we're saying here is when it equals 0, the count equals 0, you delete it. If it equals 1 or something other than 0, it won't be deleted. We'll end the if function and put in next, so it goes on to the next one. It runs the loop through the full selection of rows. Alright, so if everything runs fine, there won't be any screen notifications, and it will only delete rows with a 0 count, or in other words, rows with nothing in them. Let's see if it works. I certainly hope so. And with this particular macro, because we're defining the selection, you'll have to select the area that you're looking at for it to work the way it's intended. So we've selected the area here. Okay, run the macro. It deletes the blank row within the data. So I'm sure you can imagine various scenarios where this might be useful for you. Now you know how to use it. So hope it's been useful for you, and thanks for watching.